Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Now, you can tell by the title of this video, and of course you found this video, because you're looking for AirUp discount codes, and these specific AirUp promo codes are gonna save you a bunch of money, because you can get a completely free bottle from the AirUp website. And like I said, this is a simple code that you can enter in the basket, and it's going to completely reduce the cost of any bottle that you add to the basket. Alternatively, there is also a 50% off your next order code. So if you want multiple bottles, you can use this code, and it's going to half the cost of your order. So let me run through these steps, guys, on how you can get your AirUp discount codes. You need to use your mobile phone for this, so that's what I'm going to be screen recording right here, and open up the internet on your phone and go to this website. Make sure you type it exactly how I'm typing it: www.topdogcodes.com. So you need to go to topdogcodes.com, open that website up, and here you go. So now you can see there is a search bar. It says search below to find what you're looking for. Well, obviously we're looking for AirUp, so search that, AirUp, and here we go. AirUp coupons and deals. So click on that to open the page up and scroll down. As I mentioned, there are a couple of different discount codes for AirUp. You can get a AirUp bottle free promo code, any AirUp bottle free promo code, and there is also a 50% off your next AirUp order. So you can select which one you want. I'm going to be choosing the free bottle because I could do with a new one. So I'm going to click on show coupon, and you can see this is basically a free bottle, for any AirUp bottle free. So you can see it's given us the start of the code, but we need to unlock the full code. Obviously these free bottle codes are pretty valuable, and people actually tend to create programs and robots to steal all of these free AirUp codes. So this just prevents that. We need to unlock our code. So tap on that green button. This takes a few minutes, the next step, but yeah, just follow the instructions and it's pretty easy. So you can see this is a verification. Essentially, guys, we need to verify we are a real person, and to do that, we have to follow these instructions. It says complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below, and this will verify you. So you can see on my screen, I have a list of free tasks, and these tasks are really easy. These can range from downloading and playing free games to just answering some questions and inputting information. So for example, you can see this one. The bottom is a survey. It says enter your email and complete the steps. So if you wanted to do one like this, you would click on it, where you would have to answer the questions and then input a valid and working email address, because you do have to confirm you are a real person. Alternatively, you can choose one of these games where it says like download, then complete level 8. So I would click on that, where it would take me to the App Store, where I would have to download the game and play it until I get to level 8. So let me go ahead, complete both of those tasks, and then we can see if it gives me my AirUp discount code. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, guys, so just completed those 2 tasks. That took me around 10 minutes, which I know is a bit annoying having to do this verification, but I think it's worth it considering how much you can potentially save, because these bottles aren't that cheap. So yeah, I just went ahead, finished off that survey, had to input my email address, then I just downloaded that game, played it until I got to level 8. It was quite a fun game, so I didn't mind doing that. So now you've fully completed 2 of these tasks, you can hit your tabs button, and if you've done everything correctly, you should have this AirUp coupons tab down here. Click on that, and there you go. It's now given me my free AirUp bottle code, so I can copy that, add any bottle to the basket on the AirUp website, apply this code, and it's going to remove the cost. Once I use this code, guys, it's going to be invalid, so you're going to need to go and get your personal code at topdogcodes.com. And it's pretty easy. Just make sure you follow all of the instructions you've seen here. I hope you enjoyed this video.